How to make resume visible on LinkedIn. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to make your resume visible, first and foremost log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you have signed in into the account, access your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the top of the home page. From the drop down menu, you should click on your profile or view profile option. Once you do so, you will see a page like this. First of all, click on this pen-like icon to edit your page. If you see the option of add media, you can add it from there. But if you cannot see the option, then you can cross it and click on add profile section. Once you tap on add profile section, scroll down a bit and click on recommended. From recommended, tap on add featured. Once you tap on add featured, it will open another page. Click on this plus icon and from there you have to select the option of add link or media. Once you tap on it, browse through your device in order to find your resume. Once you have clicked on the PDF file, tap on open and then share it. This is how you can make resume visible on LinkedIn. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.